This Remax of Hot Springs Village property video is presented by Alyssa Need. Great house ready for new owners. Popular Madrid floor plan features large living room with built-in furniture grade shelving and separate cabinet with bar, fridge and doors. Wood-burning fireplace and door to four-season room complete this lovely area with wood flooring. Also, you will enjoy the well-appointed dining area between living room and kitchen. Kitchen has granite counters, lots of very nice wood cabinetry west/pullouts, pantry and breakfast nook with garden window. Primary suite with his and her closets and remodeled bath with walk-in shower. 2 additional well-sized bedrooms with full baths complete this wonderful home. Newer ceiling fans, spacious covered deck, wood floors. 2-car garage boasts a large workshop. You really do not want to miss this one. Property is accessed via Cordoba Way and faces west to Villena well above the road and has a nicely wooded backyard. Hot Springs Village is a 26,000-acre gated community with 11 lakes, 9 golf courses, white sand beach, hiking trails, pickleball, fitness center, indoor and outdoor pool, pickleball and so much more. One-time POA